my daughter. She's such a sweet girl.
The most curious little thing. I worry a lot about her because she's out in the world.
What do you say to your mom's number on your phone as?
It's just mama.
Boss lady.
Amma.
What is your mom being to you?
Extremely strong.
It's in her little things. The smell of her kurta, her chai, even her scolding.
She still finds the time to text me at 2 p.m. saying khana khaya kya. I don't even know how she does it.
Oh my god.
Can I open it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, it's Pro Touch! I love it!